Good morning. Welcome back to Summer Hill. In today's video, we are making simmer pot gifts, and I've got loads of ideas. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to share with you is last night I spent some time slicing up some apples, oranges, and blanching some cranberries so I could dehydrate them, and they turned out beautiful. I've never done apples and cranberries before, and it was super easy, so I'll be sure to put the directions in my blog post. But here are the oranges. I mean, look how beautiful and curly these apples are. They're absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna take all these ingredients and some more, and we'll head to the table in the living room. So everything you're gonna need is in the blog post that I will link in the description. When I say everything you'll need, all the gift ideas, the containers that we are creating the simmer pots in, that will be in the blog post that says simmer pot gift ideas. The recipes, exactly what you need, will be in other recipe posts. So I'll put all those in the description. Now let's go over for a minute all the items that I have come up with for ideas. So the first one and the most obvious one is clear gift bags. I have done this many times. This is the most inexpensive one that you can do, and get you some small little bags for any powdered stuff. Next is a Dutch oven, and Hearth and Hand has the cutest mini Dutch oven right now. They can actually cook their simmer pot in this. It can go on the stove. So let's play with that one. You can do a candy dish. I found this one at a thrift store, so definitely consider a candy dish. Probably my favorite is a borosilicate glass pot. This is the iconic simmer pot right here, and they have tons of them on Amazon. I'll be sure to link the one I use in my blog post. Now another idea, and probably a very popular one, is mason jars, or just a jar. You can find these at the dollar stores. You can find mason jars at Walmart. And then on this little mason jar, I put a piece of fabric on the top with a rubber band. But do you see how it has like a rubber band on it? That just makes it easier to put on. And then some twine, some baker's twine. Now, another idea is a mini market basket. I actually thrifted this one. I'm gonna take this bow off, even though the bow would be super cute for spring, but I'm gonna take it off because I'm gonna make it into a fall simmer pot idea. Now, this is, if you wanna spend a little bit more money, this is a really cool idea. I went to TJ Maxx and I bought a candle warmer. And then all you have to do is give them the ingredients with the candle warmer, and they can heat up their simmer pot in underneath the lamp. Isn't that cool? Okay, so let's get started by making some of these simmer pots. Trick I want to show you. This actually, I learned this, I can't remember, a long time ago, but when you go to tie the twine, if you loop it twice, it stays. It like, look, it like literally stays. Isn't that amazing? And then we're going to take the autumn card, and these are editable. So you can put whatever you want, to my best friend, from the McDonald family, whatever you want. And it has directions on what to do. But these are so beautiful. These cards just really make your gift look high end. Look how cute. We have a little simmer pot gift basket. Okay, let's work on the next one. Okay, so I'm hopping in the video real quick because I wanted to share with you a little more detail about those gift tags. Those are in my Etsy shop. They are printables and editable. They're a PDF editable. You don't have to download any apps or anything like that. I've got different ones for fall, Christmas, Valentine's, all those fun things. So I'll be sure to put a link in my description to my Etsy shop. And now we'll head back to making simmer pot gifts. And for this one, let's do the apple one. Dawned on me, I don't have a card for this. I'm gonna make a card. Okay, ta-da! I made them. Okay, so another one I thought was the candy dish. Let's do this one, a Christmas one, because it's a candy dish, and you can give a candy dish for Christmas. Now, this is my idea. I've never done this before. Let's see if it works. Let's take some pretty washi tape to tape it closed. It's a pretty way to secure it. That should hold it pretty good. And we're gonna get the Christmas card here. Now you have a cute, look, isn't that cute? So they not only get the simmer pot, but they get a candy dish that they can use at Christmas. So there's my other idea. But for this one, I think we are going to do cranberry orange. And you can tie a ribbon to it, and you can give it for Christmas, like it could be a Christmas one here, or you could do a fall one, because both of these kind of work together. They both have oranges on them, so you could do either one of those. I think I'm going to set this up for Christmas. Okay, so we have that one. So now my last one is the Dutch oven. How cute, a little baby Dutch oven. So let's do the last one. So for the candle warmer, what I thought we would do, gift them like a teacup with the ingredients in the teacup. Well, we are all done, so let's take one last look at all the gift ideas. Well, there you have it. These are all my ideas for summer pot gifts and things to put them in. There's even more in the blog post, so please be sure to go down into the description and click on it and check it out. I hope you've had a good time watching this and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can join me again next time. I'll see you soon. Bye.